Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing some duckies and here's how they look. And surprisingly, I love them. Like, I love them. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So I'm just starting off with the Gershon dark pink polygel that I have a little bit left of, and I'm so sad that they do not sell this anymore. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on all of the nails. I am using base coat as my slip solution. As you see right now, that's what I'm doing. I was putting base coat on. I already adhered my tips with base coat, and I put my foil glue on for my peel off method. So now I'm just doing the application process. I didn't file these nails or shape them before doing the polygel because I didn't know how much of the duck I wanted. So I just went ahead and filed them afterwards just so I could see how wide they were with the product on. I didn't want to cut too much off or anything, and I didn't want them to be too short, so I went ahead and just kept them the way they were. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this polygel on and then I will hop back in. But first, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn that bell on so you won't miss the next time I post a new video. If you are new, hey boo, welcome to the channel, and please share this video to someone who might like it. Thank you. And if there's anyone here that is new to polygel and just came across my channel, I am curing in between each nail. You do not see that in the video, but once I go on to the next nail, I cure before doing so, because this product is not, it doesn't dry on its own. You have to cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. So that's what I did. So I did just go ahead and file these off camera, and now I'm just dusting off. I did file with the 80 by 80 hand file, and I also used my e-file. So yeah, next we're just gonna go ahead and look at the shape. Let's just admire the shape for a second. Now we're gonna go ahead and go in with some top coat because I am going to be doing Frenchies today. So I just put top coat on to make sure I don't have any mistakes, and if I do, it's easily wipeable. Because like when you use a very pigmented color, well really any color on freshly filed nails, they stain and you'll have to go back in, either refile or wipe off every single thing that you did. So this part is just easy. You can just go in with a brush and some alcohol or slip solution and clean up your mistake, and you won't have to go in and refile or anything. So I am just adding a layer of that, and then I'm going to cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. And before curing in the lamp, just don't forget to wipe off any excess product so that your shape won't be messed up in the process. So next I'm just going in with some gel polish from Rosalind. I will get the link and link that down below in the description box. But I'm just going to do French tips on all of the nails. And I am using my liner brush from a different color. But I am going to be using that yellow as well. Because, I don't know, like, I was just thinking about, like, orange sickle. Like, I don't know why I'm thinking about food and sweet stuff to come up with sets, but like I've been thinking about a bunch of sweet things, and this orange just made me feel that way, incorporated with that yellow. So I'm just doing this French tip first, and then we're gonna go ahead and see what I do with this yellow. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy this application process. So I went ahead and finished that and cured in a lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm just going in with that yellow liner gel, and I'm just gonna do like little swirly lines. I just did them however I wanted them to be. So once I figured out how I wanted them to be, I'm just dumping some clear acrylic powder on top, and then I'm going to cure that in a lamp. I did already do 2 examples, so I did finish that off camera, and now I'm just going in with some rhinestones, and I'm using MAKARTT rhinestone glue and a little gem tool. So I am putting some chunky gems first. I got these from my local nail supply store, so I do not have a link for them, unfortunately. So I went ahead and hit that with a flash cure, and now I'm going in with more rhinestone glue, and I'm just going to do the smile line on the rest of the nails. And I also went ahead and finished the rest of them off camera. So here is how it's looking so far. As you can see, I did have to go in and add my rings because I feel like duck nails look so bomb with accessories. So yeah, I'm just adding some cuticle oil, and then I'm going to give you guys those angles because it wouldn't be a SHAENAILEDITT video without those angles. I went ahead and rubbed that in, and now it's time for those angles. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn that bell on so you won't miss the next time I post, which is tomorrow. This is Vlogmas Day 21, and I will see you guys for Vlogmas Day 22. I hope you guys are having a beautiful week, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.